Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. I hope you're staying home and you're staying healthy. And I wanted to just give you a quick video to explain um, what e-learning is going to look like in math class to hopefully help you guys be successful. So I have added a new thing when you log in and get to the landing page on the Pre-Algebra site. Find your e-learning information here, so you can click that. This link will also be found if you like to look at the plans or the overview. Both of them will also have the same link, and it's also in the tree. So you want to find the March 24 to 26. And what I thought I would do is just organize the entire week onto a page to make it easy for you to see what it's all going to be like. So things that I would like to bring up is how we're going to do math chats while we're gone. We're still going to chat in a discussion board, and so you'll be able to click on the discussion board, and when you do that, you will see I started a new thread for each day of e-learning, and so when you click on Tuesday, what my expectation is that you will respond to each day, and so you'll see that you'll see the picture load. I don't want to spend a lot of time. You'll be able to get to it yourself. But what you'll do is you'll respond, you'll add a reply, and then feel free, if someone has the same answer that you think it is, tell them that you agree with them, and that would count as your response. If you, after reading other people's, if you want to change your mind, just give a reply to yourself. But that's how we will do this math chats. That will be for a grade. And so you are expected to at least participate in each day at least once with your answer. And like I said, if you'd rather respond to someone else's answer, that's okay too. And then you'll see, we'll go through, you'll click on the links, you'll do the videos. For our notebook while we're gone, our plan is to I'll record video notes. A lot of you would rather listen to videos than me doing them in class anyway. So this won't be new to you. But anyway, so this will be a link and you'll watch the video. And then as far as what your notebook check's going to look like, you can do it one of two ways. If you are good at keeping your stuff and you know you'll be able to find it when we go back to school, feel free to keep everything and I'll green stamp it when we get back, and you'll get your notebook check grade then. Or down here, I gave a suggestion that if you're afraid that you'll lose your notebook or lose your pages before you get them to your notebook, start a digital notebook. All you need to do is take a picture of your work and save it into a Google folder. Maybe just title the Google folder Math Digital Notebook. And then you'll be able to have everything right there. Label your pages so you know what they are. You guys are pretty tech savvy. You'll be able to figure out how to do it digitally. Then you can share it with me and you'll be able to get your grade for the notebook that way. So whichever way works best for you, digital or hold on to it till we get back, that's fine for the notebook grade. But you'll just go through, you'll follow the steps and do everything it says for each of the days. So I do want to talk about Math Excel real quick. If you forgot your login, send me an It's Learning message. I can let you know what it is. But everyone's password is CSAM7 is the best. Remember, yes, it's 7 because you guys made it last year. But it does have a capital C. So capital C, SAM7 is the best, is your login. So real quick, I am looking at the course home. And then if I click on calendar, I already have the assignments made, and so they'll probably be on your front page by the time you are here. But I do just want you to see that when you look next Tuesday, you'll see it says scientific notation practice, and that it's due on the 26th. So you'll see that the other one, hopefully you can tell, like if it says Algebra 1 only, you don't have to do those unless you're in my 7th period. Then you have to do those. So that's what Math Excel looks like. I do want you to refresh your memory. See if I can preview this assignment real quick here. Oh, my screen's in the way. Anyway, I do want you to see that you can use the question help button. Okay, apparently I can't get to it, but you know how it's up here. Use the question help button. However, what I am going to do this time is I did create a poll. And so it says, go over the assignment. Which problems on Math Excel would you like for me to go over during my video tomorrow? So you guys get to choose. There's 10 problems on the scientific notation Math Excel assignment. You pick which one that you would really like for me to explain an example of. Remember, everyone's going to have different numbers, but the same concept. So what I'll do is I'll record a video tomorrow morning, or not tomorrow morning, Wednesday morning. I'll record a video of the top 3 or 4 that you guys would like for me to go over to help you out. So again, you'll just kind of follow through, go through your steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sometimes 6. On Wednesday, you will see that I did activate a new content quiz on the scientific notation concept. So you'll take that content quiz then, and then all 29 content quizzes are due May 1st. This should not surprise you. I've been telling you this since August, that they were due at the end of April. So I actually gave you an extra week since that's how long we're going to be home doing this. You should only have 9 new ones to do, so this shouldn't stress you out. Some of you have a lot to do, and I would like to show you what that looks like real quick. So when I'm done showing you about the week, I'll go back to content quizzes. Anyway, so keep following through. You'll see toolkits. One thing I want to say about the toolkit words, I put mathisfun.com website there. When I looked at that website, they said expanded notation. Your toolkit says form. So expanded form, expanded notation, same thing. You'll be able to find all 3 of those words in mathisfun.com. And then I do have you doing Math Excel study plan. So why I like to do this is I feel like it gives you a whole picture of the week. Down here, you'll see the week in review. So this is going to be how you're going to double check to make sure that you're successful with the things that I'm grading. So I'm going to be grading your math chats, the Math Excel assignment called Scientific Notation Practice, and 30 minutes active time on Math Excel. I've already reset those, or not reset, but I've already copied my beginning times on those. And so whenever you start on study plan, you need to have 30 active minutes before next Thursday when you're done with your e-learning. What needs to go in the notebook? Scientific notation notes, toolkit words. And then here's my idea again, if you would rather do a digital notebook. And then down here, you'll be able to see it. Right now you see my face instead, but countdown to content quizzes. You have 6 weeks until all your content quizzes are due. So when you go to overview, I want to show you about how you can tell what content quizzes you have left. Over here, let me see if I can just switch this. Let's look at it like you see it. You will see here tasks. You'll need to click on no deadline. And then you will see I have a ton of tasks in my active. So all of these content quizzes, those are the ones that are due by May 1st. Some of you also have a section, it says active and it says completed. Hopefully you have about 19 to 20 of those over in the completed section. I don't have anything in the completed section. That's why all of mine are down here. So if you have any questions, please send me an It's Learning message. Let me help you. I'll be around. It's even on my phone, so I get notifications. A lot of you use that anyway, and please let me help. Thank you.